Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Ceridian Payroll account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search Ceridian Payroll Login. Scroll down a little bit, there you can see Ceridian HR/payroll login, or directly go to hrpayroll.se.ceridian.com. It will then take you to the login portal of Ceridian. There, enter your client name, your username, and a password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to continue. Then you should be able to access your Ceridian Payroll. If you have forgot your username or password, you can get help by clicking to forgot your username or you forgot your password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.